All right. Today we had Bitcoin hitting the price target and it did exactly what we were looking for, which was a push in between this price target between 71 and 75,000. And as you can tell, we even hit it dead on the exact date that I predicted it by, which was today. And if you go back to last week, I was talking about buying near this support at 65,000. And I did say even if it went to 63,000, I still thought it was a buy the dip. And I gave all of the reasoning on why I thought this was such a great trade, but it mostly had to do with the volume breaking back above the 200 daily moving average and regaining the bull trend. And Bitcoin is always an amazing trade when that happens. And as you can tell, in just 1 week, we have already made over 10%. This is exactly the kinds of swing trades that I'm getting you in with the low risk entries in the Discord server. And this is the time to be loading up swing trades because as we have the high VIX right now and day trading is still very lucrative, eventually that volatility is going to dry up and you are going to want to be in low risk swing entries like this one. And that will ensure you absolutely destroy this market by year end and have a very positive return in your trading account. So if you want access to all of those swing trade ideas that I'm giving you to bring you out to the end of the year to have massive gains, those are all going to be in my Discord server. And you can find out how to join the Discord server in the link below. All right, so jumping over the S&P 500, we still have the bull trend and I am still looking for new all-time highs at 587 and 593 while we are above 580. If we break below 580, it is completely fine to get risk off and expect lower prices. So just stay bullish above 580. On the NASDAQ 100 triple Qs, we were up 0.96% today and we did break out to a daily higher high and we are now very close to the previous all-time high at 503. As you can tell from this chart, you can smack it with a stick and we are likely going to break out to a brand new all-time high and hit 510. Again, these are bull trends until they're not, so stay bullish and expect the higher price targets. And in order to get risk off in the triple Qs, we need to break down below 488. So stay bullish above support and then you can simply get risk off and move like water if we break down below support. As I said in the introduction, I am posting all of the Q4 swing trades right now in the Discord server. So make sure if you're a swing trader and you want to absolutely crush this market, come get all of those ideas in the Discord server, which you can find out how to join by clicking on the link in the description of this video. There's going to be a lot of news around the election, so make sure you have a solid trade plan and you're following that trade plan with solid risk-reward ratios. And that is my #1 focus to close out this year. So thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you're crushing this market. And as always, I will see you in the next episode.